Hey everybody! So today we're going to be opening up the UC2 from Comica, the Boom XD UC2. So I've already opened it, of course. I've been using it for probably a month, 2 months, but I did want to show you what the content of the box was, because I do use this box to hold everything, because it doesn't come with, yeah, you'll see. Anyways, okay, so this is the box. It has a sleeve over it, which actually fits quite tightly, and it has a magnetic hinge. So Comica, professional audio equipment. I really do like these. So on top you get the receiver for your phone, which is USB-C. I keep the little condom on it. You got mute, sync, and I think that's the volume dB reduction. It does have a monitoring headphone port, and that's it. And then you have your microphones. So you have pair button, mute, and power. So hold it down to turn it on, which we'll go ahead and do. So as you can see, we have a little screen. It's trying to connect to the receiver. If I hit the power button, you can see the mute and a battery level and a VU meter. So I do like the screens. They do have some use. And then we have everything else in the bag, or box, because it doesn't come with a bag, sadly. Okay. So we have a USB to triple USB-C. So yeah, not really sure why it's a triple, because the receiver, the receiver doesn't need that. Anyways, then you have 2 lanyard mics, which they do have some cable tidiness straps on them that are branded Comica, but I just throw them in the box. And of course, we have 2 dead cats. So the dead cats are for the transmitters themselves, not the lanyard mics, because the lanyard mics have the little foam thing, but the dead cats have a little square hole, and they just go over like that. So if I were to clip this under my beard, then it would be less noisy as my beard rubbed across it. Yeah, that's all that comes in this package. Now, the other microphones I have also comes with the camera receiver. The UC2 does not, but I have the other receiver set. So I already have 2 of these mics and this receiver. So this one is for a camera, but I keep it with all of this because it works with phone and camera. But this is a separate purchase. Anyways, that's all that comes in the box. Quite simple, and I really do like these. Let me hook them up and show you what they sound like. Okay, so this is the Comica UC2 microphone test. So this has the dead cat on it, so I'm going to stuff it under my beard and see how it sounds. Okay, now it's in place. I'm shaking my head all around, and as you can see, it's right there. So that's what it sounds like. Hold on, let me put the lanyard on. Okay, this is the lanyard, and normally I wear my lanyards up on my glasses, but I'll put it under my shirt. So this is how most people would be using their lanyard. Lav mic. So shaky, shaky, shaky. And I'll put it where I normally would have my microphones. So if I'm doing a non-headshot shot, I typically have my mic up on my glasses, and occasionally I'll do both of the receivers with a mic on each side, so I'm still in stereo and not mono stereo. Anyways, thanks for watching. I do look forward to the comparison.